Hi guys, in this class we will discuss about function in PHP. You know that we have discussed function concept with different types argument also in different programming language in Python, JavaScript, C Sharp. Just in PHP programming, how you can create call function, different argument, how you can work with different argument. So creating and calling function in PHP, parameterized and non-parameterized function in PHP, different types of argument in PHP. Some of them I will discuss with you. So to clear your concept about function in PHP and in other programming language, just open VLST code and create call function in PHP. In VLST code, create any file and save this file in a folder of XAMPP, and inside this folder create a new folder. This is a chapter 07, and then this is a function.php, and then copy this file, and then you have to remove this one function inside PHP. Just open the browser and then localhost, and then remove this dashboard, write folder name. This is chapter 7 function.php. File is open function.php. Just open a VLST code and create a function. How you can create a function in PHP? Just you have to use a PHP tag function. Function name is, for example, test1, and then echo anything else. You can print hello world. So this is a function. After creating function, you know that you have to call that function, just name of that function. Just refresh this one, hello world is displaying here. Now if you want to actually this is a non-parameterized function. There is no parameter. For example, you can pass any parameter. This is actually a parameter a, and a value you have to provide from function calling point. For example, a value is 10. You can also print this a value. So you know that a value is 10 passing from function calling. 10 is displaying here. This is a parameterized function, and with a single argument you can provide more than one argument, a, b, and you can also add both, and the result should be displayed here. You can see that. What is issue? Sorry, you did not provide second value for second argument. Refresh this one, 30 is displaying here. So this is a multiple argument function. You can also make this one a default argument. For example, its value is 20, 30. So when I did not provide its value, so its default value will be used. 30 plus 10, it become a 40. So this default parameter in function. You can use keyword argument or position argument in PHP function. So there are other concept also in function. So because we are learning 5 programming language, that is why just we have to clear basic concept of any topic, for example function. So if you have to learn more about PHP programming language, you can purchase our course. You can make your enrollment in our PHP programming language. So if you have any confusion, any problem while learning with us, you can discuss with me without any hesitation. Thank you.